music in the back. I don't want to get copyrighted.
I'm at the dollar store right now. Kate's working, and I'm picking out stuff for traveling because
your bitch booked another flight to New York.
I'm going for 31 days, and I gotta be set, so we're gonna pick out some things. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take this for makeup, and then this for dirty clothes. How cute! Yay, we love monochrome! We got what we needed. Long story short, I'm never flying with Air Canada again.
Sorry, not sorry.
I booked my flight a week or two ago, maybe.
I had so many complications, it's not even funny.
I did not get a confirmation for a booking number, a ticket number. I wasn't emailed anything. They just took my money, and that was that. Nice! Sorry. I couldn't cancel my ticket because I don't have the flight number, the booking number, nothing. I'm freaking out a week ago. I call my bank can't do anything. So I went to the airport. My name was on the itinerary 9 fucking times. Why? I don't know. I could have only rebooked it once or twice because my time limit on the website was up.
So that doesn't make any fucking sense to me.
Anyways, thank you to Liz at the airport, Elizabeth. She helped me get it all figured out. Now I have all the information printed off for me. I still haven't gotten an email or anything, besides the one that she sent me. Not like a official one from Air Canada. I've been flying alone since I was like 9 or 10, and this has never happened.
Also,
I'm gonna be gone the 26th of January to the 26th of February. If you're in the city and you wanna hang out, hit me up, because I'm so down.
Yeah. Big crime. Yeah.
Hi. Good morning. This is the fit. Here we are. The day has come. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna pee and leave.
Bitch, I got that bag. I got them racks. I blow a sack. I got that gas. I'm in the trap. I chill with a strap. I got me a Mac. I let that shit black. I'm serving them fiends and they smoking that glass. Color her tracks when I hit from the back. On the block in my tins and I'm selling that crack. I don't wear hats with a got on cap. Pit sack on my ass cause they filled with the rap.
I'm off my first flight. Hi, found coffee though. I also got a blueberry scone. I'm in this like section of the airport. I always try to find the sections that are like away from each other or people in general. I'll show you. Just hidden behind the bathrooms. Very cute.
Have I answered the question, who am I? Well, I confront it all the time. We're teaching people how to use their head. The point is that in order to use your head, you have to go out of your mind. You have to go out of all of the static, symbolic ways in which you think.
Well, I've landed, so that counts for recording something, right? You just clipped my ankles! Oh, thanks.
hi.
We're gonna open
Tonight for
something.
opening. So, Ori usually misses out on Christmas and I never get her anything. I sent her.
That's the tea, you're exposing yourself.
It's fine, it's fine. We know what it is, so I finally got a good gift.
Okay, look at our sweaty hair, all three of us.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my package.
Package.
Package. I'm sweating, I'm sorry for everybody every time I lift up my armpit. Oh, what is this? What?
What?
Yes! So, you can see it from the back.
I think that's a drawing tablet. Yeah, I wanted that one.
I spent a week trying to research like which one.
Oh my goodness, I am too excited.
I wanted it.
You wanted it?
You did.
Well,
I think
I
that
guess
you
we
can
could use it.
You can try it, and I
Yeah,
think
of
for you
course.
though, to be honest, the answer for you is probably the pencil.
iPad? With
Yeah,
the
the
pencil?
iPad pencil for 100. What you need.
A sticker! I swear, I opened a tablet and the most exciting thing to me is the sticker. I'm so excited, but I don't want to touch anything and ruin anything. It says remove the film, but I don't want to do that right now. This is
And you're supposed to.
Oh! It looks like a white square on camera.
Let me see.
Yeah, see, look. Oh, white square. Okay.
And maybe the glove. There's a glove for your 2 fingers so
Yeah.
they don't tap the screen.
Oh, that's
And
cool.
make-
It looks kind of like a chicken leg.
Yeah.
You have these.
Yeah, in case you go to different countries.
Oh, that's sick.
Here's the pen.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
The pen there, that's what it is, and then extra nibs there.
Yeah.
Oh,
So if
okay.
you need them.
Thank
Good
you.
reviews, basically. So,
Yay.
there it is.
Yeah. You know I'm back in New York because I'm filming in this mirror.
Hi.
Gap tracksuit still. Oh, hey.
Shake Shack. Oh, hey.
Shake
Shake
Shack.
Shack. Oh, hey. Shake Shack.
I think you'll like it.
Bogus.
Burgers and beer, kids.
Yeah, yeah, gang, yeah, gang, yeah, crime life, yeah. Run up a check, spin it back with my bloodies. I'm in the trap, I got guns, I got money. Say you said money, I sold you a dummy. Say you gon' kill me, but you running from me. It's never sunny and shit never funny. It could get dark, nigga, it could get ugly. Give me a pipe, but I call her my buddy. I give a dick and she screaming she love me. I give a dick and I nut her stomach. I give a dick and I nut her tummy. Been hitting licks and my nose is runny. Bet your ass I ain't splitting no money. Try to sneak this, I run up, I'm coming. I'm on the block with a gun and it jumping. Kick down the door.
Yeah. I got a little Mod Podge mix. I'll try some other ones and do some things and see what happens. I haven't really tried these other ones.
I slept like shit. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I need to get up and shower. I already stretched and did a little bit of yoga. Everybody just left to go to school, so I'm here by myself. I also got a new sketchbook yesterday at Blake. I want to design the cover and I might do like a time lapse or something. I think it would be fun. I don't know. I am the biggest idiot. I went ahead and did my whole sketchbook cover, and then as I'm putting the last sticker on, I realized I was going to time-lapse it. What I'm going to do is just take a video of me putting masking tape on it to secure it all in. Those comics that had a freaking Zootopia picture in it? You bitch needed that?
It looks it. It's not
It
like
really-
a pattern.
No, like
But
that's
I'm seeing-
crazy. I want to know who did
33 in the middle, Ewing. Like, oh, wow, dude.
That's all the footage I have for the first New York vlog in my New York series for this year. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be making content again. It's actually good and entertaining. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Bye.